Top 10 ways to turn your home into a smart home. Technology keeps improving our lives, property, and particularly our homes. Living a convenient life and less stressed life is one of the utmost desires of individuals. Your home is a place you would not want to leave in a shabby condition. Please, permit me to take you firmly by the hand to walk you through this route of knowledge of making your home a smart home. According to various research, a smart home is a home automation system that monitors or controls home attributes such as lighting, climate, entertainment systems and appliances, security such as control and alarm systems. It would be interesting and convenient to have situations in your home controlled on your smartphone while you're away from home, wouldn't it? Advances in technology seem to be a rapid activity as each day goes by, making the world an interesting place to live in, explore, and efficiently maximize. The automated systems and devices personify what human beings do at ease. I mean, being designed to communicate with themselves, and even the smartphone user sounds uniquely interesting. The inscription "Smart" attached to the home is smart indeed. You will agree with me that smart homes are rapidly acquiring fame. Having the option to control various sectors of your home even while you're away, isn't it just wonderful? However, it can also increase security. There are a wide range of approaches to transform your home into a smart home. Some are somewhat more costly than others. But as we start, I should remind you that making your home smart shouldn't make you break the bank. And with that said, let's take a walk through the top 10 ways to turn your home into a smart home. Smart lighting. You must agree that there are times you want temperature changes. It's pretty easy talking about the lighting in your home with the installation of smart bulbs. These bulbs can regulate the temperature of a room on their own and adjust lights to provide the required temperature. How does that sound? Good, I guess? There are many key elements to consider when planning a smart home lighting system. It incorporates everything from the lights to the switches and even designing your color plans. It very well may be somewhat overwhelming. An automated lighting framework can set lights on timers, dimmers, color wheels, and surprisingly, set ambient lighting based on your preferences in a different area of your home. The entirety of this can be controlled remotely from an app on your smartphone. There is a various set of smart lighting, but some of the most popular ones include GE Link, GE Wink, Connected Home Hub, SmartThings Hub by Samsung, and Philips Hue Personal Wireless Lighting. All of these smart home lightings are of different specifications. Smart locks and doors. Not all visitors ought to visit your home. Also, often you might be so tired returning from work that you might want a supernatural power to land you home without going through the stress of opening doors and even walking for long. Smart homes could have doors automated such that it detects when you're near and automatically opens itself. That has reduced stress and reserved some energy. You agree? A glance at the first statement. Smart doors have been designated to grant access or deny access to visitors. It somewhat does the work of a security man who would have spent your money every month or take the risk of being exposed to deceit and disappointment, if you know what I mean. The world is definitely a beautiful place to live in. Smart security indoor and outdoor cameras. Fake cameras can be a disguise to thwart a sinful act proposed to take place in the mind of a criminal. That being said, we should dive into talks about real ones. Imagine you get to have your home monitored while on vacation. Need I say that sensors are built-in devices to help out with detections and designed so that data can be transferred over networks? Amazing. Its usage is definitely not to bore the users. You also need to be aware that smart motion sensors can be installed in your home to identify the difference between residents, visitors, or burglars, and could easily get users notified for security measures to be taken. How about you take some time to imagine how the motion sensors would have communicated with the smart locks or doors to grant access or deny an individual. These devices have been designed to communicate with each other and controlled by a master automation controller, referred to as a smart home hub. This hub can process, sense data without wires, and it is a hardware device that acts as the central point of the smart home system. There is a similitude between how these devices or machines work and human intelligence, such as that the figure of speech. Personification is justified. Smart kitchens. You've been in a situation whereby you feel reluctant to get up and brew a drink. Smart kitchens would be willing to run the errands for you. Kitchen appliances can be connected to the internet, making it very easy to give you directions on how you want your desires satisfied, even from your smartphone. Come on in with me. You could make your coffee by instructing a smart coffee maker to satisfy your thirst at a programmed time. Without taking a walk to your kitchen, you could make yourself some juice just when you're about to leave work, having taken glances at what you have in your refrigerator. Your kitchen is smart. Household system monitors. Homeowners do not want their houses in a dilapidated condition. This is generally agreed that new evolutions of different technologies in different fields worldwide face a single direction of reducing the need for human effort and have them replaced by machines. Automating activities in your home isn't an exception. These monitors have been powered to sense various occurrences. For instance, an electrical surge could lead to going to the extreme by causing a fire that would be detrimental to the homeowner's affairs. But with this system installed, you could relax in your office chair, having no worries about such perilous occurrences. These monitors even assist you by turning off appliances that could be sources of unwanted occurrences such as fire breakouts and floods. Another eye. Smart thermostats. This device helps regulate home temperature, such that energy efficiency is ensured. Amazingly, it can sense and learn the homeowner's behavior and provide comfort to the owner by regulating the temperature that best suits them. It is expedient to note that there are voice-automated systems such as Amazon Echo, Google Home that could learn the smart home and communicate regarding the homeowner's preferences. A smart speaker such as a Google Home or Alexa receives your preferences through voice note and transmit it over to the thermostat device to carry out your temperature wishes. Should you have a smart home, you need not worry about temperature comfortability. That's the logic. Smart air conditioners. The usage of air conditioners is rampant in homes today, not just offices. It's a machine itself, but still could be controlled by other devices. Innovations never stop, you know? Perhaps the house owner loves the conditioner working at a certain temperature tenable at a certain environmental condition. The smart ACs are smart enough to have you covered by programming themselves to a suitable temperature. Yet another comfortability. Smart doorbells. You need not to forget the interrelated connections that were talked about earlier, and doorbells emphasize that connection herein. You know how doorbells work, right? Maybe for reiteration, it helps to get the stress off of walking to the doorstep to know there's somebody there. All that is needed is to hit the button, a bell rings to get notified. Most of these smart doors have built-in cameras on their lock, almost undetectable by visitors or strangers. It provides the clip of whenever your smart door has been accessed or checked if anyone in the entryway and gives them access in automatically. These smart doorbells are Wi-Fi enabled and connected to other smart systems throughout the home, bringing to mind the interrelated connections mentioned earlier. Smart speakers. Home smart speakers are a very good home assistant to help you run technical errands with a voice command. The two obvious popular choices are Amazon Echo and Google Nest or Home speakers. These two popular digital assistants are always ready to help you at the drop of a voice command. Most smart speakers brands have their various assistants. Google uses Google Assistant, Apple has Siri, and Amazon Echo speakers use a home assistant called Alexa. When you ask a question, for example, "What's the weather like on Tuesday?" she will respond and give an accurate answer you will get when you search the same question on Google. One of the vital components of a smart speaker is an intelligent helper and its capacity to recognize and react to a voice order. You can make your smart speakers respond to you alone with the use of voice recognition. They also process some other features that allow you to adjust some home devices like playing music, setting an alarm, making a note of meetings, adjusting your thermostat with a voice command, and so on. Robot vacuums. Perhaps the most tedious job is cleaning your whole house. Luckily, numerous companies have almost culminated robot vacuums that do the entirety of the work for you. All you need to do is talk to your robot vacuum to clean your home dirt instead of grabbing yours for an occasional mess. A robot vacuum consists of one or two spinning brushes and a rolling brush or two. They work together to suck up debris inwards to the center into the waste bin of the vacuum device. The vacuum can also be programmed using controls run on a schedule. Smartphone apps or a smart speaker can also control them. All you need to do is set up a charging dock and your home environment remains allergic to dirt and debris. This device makes frequent trips to such dirt and debris. You need not worry about frequently spending on the services of laborers. Conclusion: every one of the above steps deals with a different system. With the assistance of a smart home system, it's simpler to do anything in your home. Not only does a computerized system in your home give you convenience and solace, however, it will likewise give you peace of mind. With smart systems becoming more cost-effective, there is no reason why you ought not to change your home into a smart home. If comfortability is highly sought after, you need a smart home.